everyone on UKids channel. My name is Pratis Malik.
My name is Ram.
Today we are going to show you the experiment on egg. We have taken the experiment from this book. This is very amazing science activities book. Now I am putting this egg into the glass and some vinegar here. Now you can see the reaction between egg and vinegar. The bubbles are coming. You can see the bubble that coming from here. This is so amazing. I like it so much. This experiment is working. I have kept this egg for 3 days. Now see what happens. I am peeling covering of the egg. My dad is going to help me to peel this egg. You can see this is so amazing. Wow, this is so amazing. This experiment works. This egg is actually a single cell. This dark part is yolk, which contains DNA. You can see. This white part contains things that help the cell to grow.